Hey, I'm Rachel Ngom from She'sMakingAnimpact.com. Let's talk productivity, because I see a lot of entrepreneurs doing the busy work that they think needs to get done, but really ultimately doesn't move the needle forward in their business. So are there updates I could do to my website right now? Yes. Are there other little tasks that I could do? Checking email? Yes. I have not checked my email yet today. I know today is a really busy day and I have about an hour and a half that I could actually work. Kid, chiropractor, myofascial release, I'm busy. So what do I do if I have this much amount of time to actually work? I create content. Content is ultimately the number one thing that's going to move your business forward. It's how you're going to be able to add value to your audience and how they're going to fall in love with you, your messaging, what it is that you offer people. And then that's going to help you turn them into raving fans and eventually clients. So if I only have this much time to work, I'm creating content. Right now I'm creating content for Instagram TV and Facebook and my blog and everywhere. And I'm also working on creating a course too. So once I finish batching a bunch of videos, because I want to get it done, I'm making 2 weeks worth of videos right now, I'll work on my course that's launching, the Impact Blogging Academy. So productivity tip, look at what is on your to-do list. Cut out the things that you know aren't, either you can outsource to somebody else that can do it. It doesn't need to be on your plate, like creating graphics. You don't need to do that. Outsource it to somebody in the Philippines for $5 an hour using Upwork.com. Or just think of what is going to ultimately help me achieve my goals right now. It's gonna be creating content for the most part. That's literally that's what I focus most of my time and energy on, and I try to outsource it as much of the rest. I can talk. I swear. Okay, I hope that helps. Head to She'sMakingAnimpact.com for more tips to build your business, and I'll see you later.